Setting up your WordPress website with Gohighlevel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, visit the Gohighlevel website, gohighlevel.com. Next, sign up for an account by providing the required information. Then, log in to your Gohighlevel account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. After that, connect your WordPress website. So, in your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Next, search for the Gohighlevel plugin and install it. Once installed, activate the Gohighlevel plugin. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Gohighlevel settings. Enter the AI key provided by Gohighlevel to connect your WordPress site with the Cognitive platform. Use Gohighlevel to create forms, landing pages, or widgets that you want to embed on your WordPress site. After creating a form or widget in Gohighlevel, get the embed code provided by the platform. In your WordPress editor, add a new page or post where you want to display the Gohighlevel form or widget. Use the HTML block or shortcode to embed the code provided by Gohighlevel. Use Gohighlevel to create marketing automation sequences, such as email campaigns or drip campaigns. If you want to trigger specific actions based on your user interactions on your WordPress site, integrate Gohighlevel triggers with your WordPress events. Perform tests to ensure that the integration between your WordPress website and Gohighlevel is working as expected. Monitor the performance of your marketing campaigns in Gohighlevel and adjust strategies as needed.